Hey everyone, welcome back to our full stack Mun developer series. I'm Raj and today we are diving into our day one, part three, where we will set up our development environment. This is a crucial step to ensure that you have everything you need to do code effectively and efficiently. So let's start first installing our environment. Step one, that's include installing Node. That is required to run our like JavaScript outside of our browser. So, so first of all, we're gonna open our Google Chrome, and in the search we're gonna type in Node download Node.js. Okay, so you wanna install this LTS version. That means long time support. This one pre-built installer. Okay, so you can choose which version you have, but I have Windows 11, so I'm gonna choose that one. Yep. So let's click on download Node.js. Okay, this is my downloader. Start, open, and you just need to follow the instructions. Install it. Okay, the Node.js has been installed on your computer. So second step is install VS Code. All right. So to do that, the same thing. You simply gonna go back to Google and type in download VS Code. Click on Windows. Same thing. Open. Accept the terms. Next. Next. Create a desktop icon. Add to make sure this add to part is required. Okay, we don't need other thing. Just click on install. It's gonna take few minutes. Right. So launch Visual Studio Code. First, we have to create a folder. Let me minimize everything. Just create a folder called full stack mun. Okay. In the mun, we're gonna create a new folder called src, and another folder called images. I think that's it for now. Open VS Code. Alright, so click on file, open folder, desktop, full stack mun. That's the folder we created. Here we go. Let me see. So next we have to install some extension. So click on this icon. So first icon we install is live server. Live server. Okay, so that's the one. Install. And the next extension we're gonna need is material icon. Yeah, that one. Next we're gonna need is auto 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 rename, auto close, auto complete. And next we want IntelliSense. Yeah, this one. IntelliSense go. Yeah, IntelliSense for CSS classes. This one. Okay. Next we're gonna need is, okay, we need to run some program Python. All right, and next one is, I think that's it, JavaScript E6 and code runner. Yeah, we need code runner. And we need ES6. All right, so I think we got all our extensions. We need to install our bootstrap and bootstrap icon. To do that, we need to go to the terminal. So click on view and click on terminal. All right, so we need to run two commands. One is npm. This is node package manager that helps to install all the tools that we need. We simply type npm install bootstrap dash save. You see now the node has been installed on this one. And okay, now we have to install bootstrap icon. So write npm install bootstrap dash icons save. Right, so we got our bootstrap icon. So that's it for the environment setup. So we have everything that we need to develop any application. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel and help us getting more subscriber. And we're gonna bring more videos in the next series. Maybe I will get the video tomorrow. So make sure you hit the bell icon so you get the notification. Okay, so that's it for the video. So see you in the next one.